morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn something new. Today we are going to learn about wild animals. But before learning about wild animals, we will do a quick recap of farm and pet animals that you have learned in previous sessions. Let's do the recap. I am having some wooden flashcards. I will show it to you and you have to identify which animal is this. Okay? Which animal is this, kids? Cow. This is a cow. Next, which animal is this, kids? Dog. Which animal is this, kids? Pig. Pig. Which is this animal? Hen. Next, which animal is this, kids? Sheep. This is a sheep. Which animal is this, kids? Cat. This is a cat. Which is this animal? Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Which is this animal? Goat. This is a goat. Very good, children. Clap for yourself. You identified all the animals. Now, as we have revised the farm and pet animals, let's learn about wild animals. Do you know who are wild animals? Wild animals live in jungle. They are wild in nature. They can even harm us. Now let's see some flashcards of wild animals. This is a lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. This is a tiger. Tiger has black stripes on his body. This is a giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. This is a zebra. The color of zebra is white with black stripes. This is an elephant. Elephant has two big ears and one long trunk. This is a snake. This is a kangaroo. This is a bear. Bear is brown in color. This is a monkey. Monkey likes to eat bananas. These all animals are wild animals. Wild animals live in jungle or forest. You can also see wild animals in a zoo. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you, kids. Bye. Have a nice day.